What's up YouTube, Katelyn Macias here, and today we're going to talk about how to take great photos for free. No lighting, no props, nothing. Completely free. This is great if you're into stock photos, if you're into product photography, or if you just want to take some really great photos for your social media. I'm super excited about this, so let's just get into it. So we're currently in my game room, and the reason we're here is because yesterday I took pictures of these knives and a lot of people really liked them. I took them for free. This is just in my backyard on a rock, but people wanted to see the rest of my knife collection photographed. So today I'm actually gonna take you through how to photograph a few of them. So yeah, that's why we're here. So guys, this is my knife collection. This is the one I photographed yesterday on social media, and it's a Marine's knife actually. So a lot of people really loved it. Again, I just took this in my backyard on a rock. Since it was a military style knife, I wanted to have like a really rugged desert feel to it, so that's why I did it on a rock. However, today, for example, we're going to photograph this Batman knife. I probably am not going to want to take this on a rock. You know, Batman gives off superhero vibes. For this one, I probably want to do a very dark scene because, you know, Batman, nighttime, black, those are all things associated with Batman. So we are obviously not going to be taking this on a rock. Let's get right into it and photograph this knife. Okay, so this is my setup for my knife. This right here is just a subwoofer that I taped the Bat logo to. This is literally my Nintendo Switch charging station. I put a little toy ladder in it just to give it like a yellow color, and it kind of gives it a cool look. This is an Adidas jacket, as you can see, and under it I just put a box, and then this is actually a cup flipped upside down. It's a coffee mug to kind of give it like a buildings look and feel, and then all this white I just kind of tried to hide like that, and then there is my knife. So that is your set, completely free. You didn't have to buy any of this. I already had all this stuff. Let's see how the pictures come out. Alrighty guys, so I edited the pictures. I'm gonna show you the before first and then the after. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, comment what you think, and I'll catch you guys next time.